I moved from self-con to mini flat. But the problem I say, the self-con one don dey stay for 3 years now. When I move go mini flat, I forget, say my property na self-contained property. So by the time I come move go mini flat, the property contain the room. Oh. But my parlor, the thing empty. I know say parlor empty like that, you go the echo. My parlor come be like where God in those olden days Nigerian movie they talk, my son. The echo in the room was that bad. To the extent say one day on a Saturday night, I write one joke for that parlor. Saturday night. On Monday morning, I be the child remember the joke. The thing echo come back. It's that bad.
Prepared to laugh until your ribs ache.